This week on Nation's Business, we bring to you the story of how Girmitiers arrived in Vanua-Levu and how they played a huge role in the development of Lambasa and the surrounding region. Nation's Business also visited descendants of the Girmitiers and captured the history of their loved ones who were part of the last boatload of indentured laborers that came on board the SS Sujilev 5 in 1916. Last but not least, Nation's Business will also bring to you the highlights of the centennial celebration in Lambasa and Savu-Savu in honor of the struggles the Girmitiers endured during the indentured labor system. Approximately 42 ships made a total of 87 voyages between 1870 and 1916, carrying British Indian indentured laborers to Fiji. This era of development was one of the darkest, yet one of the most significant in Fijian history.
Often at times they were lured away from their homes with false promises. These Girmitiers endured the grueling journey from India. They suffered demeaning treatment from the overseers and they slaved away under violent, repressive work conditions. They were often abused, they were whipped, they were beaten up if they did not follow instructions.
The laborers were contracted to work in either cane fields or coconut plantations for 5 years, and they would then earn their right of passage back home. However, due to the high cost of returning to British India, many of them had no choice but to stay. In the face of such misery, while it would be easy to abandon hope and give in to despair, instead they persevered. In Vanua-Levu, Girmitiers played a huge role in the development of Lambasa and the surrounding region. The Girmitiers first settled at the Tanganikula sugarcane belt areas near Wainikoro, where they worked to clear the land and work in the sugarcane field that was supplied to the Lambasa mill that was established in 1894.
The success of Fiji's colonial economy depended heavily on their sweat, effort and talents.
As the years passed, they moved to Bunibau, Basonga, Bulileka, Bunimoli, Mbotha-Levu and Riketi in the Maduwata province. From 1894, a small trading center was established in 1922, and the Girmitiers called it Nasea Town. It grew to the point where it was declared a town in 1939 and eventually became a full-fledged town and declared Lambasa Town in 1972. During the Girmit era, the first market at Lambasa was located at Vulobi on the outskirts of the sugar mill. A few Girmitiers were sent to the Savu-Savu area compared to sugarcane growing areas of Fiji. A small number were employed at copra plantations in the region, Unilangi Estate, Tambia Settlement, Debo Estate, and Tubarara Settlement. All these places were many miles away from the main town of Savu-Savu, which would have compounded the sense of isolation of the Girmitier men and women in Vanua-Levu.
हाँ, हमारे आजा आए थे लुधियाना से और उन्होंने कहा था कि एक समय ऐसा आएगा कि जब हम नहीं रहेंगे तो दुख तो हम भले काटते हैं, लेकिन वो समय आएगा कि आप लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छी ज़िंदगी रहेगी यहाँ पर। उन्होंने कहा था कि हम लोग सुबह 4 बजे सवेरे कुलम्बर हम लोग को जगा देते थे। अगर हम लोग देरी करते थे तो उन्होंने उला करके चाबुक हम लोग को मारते थे और 2 बिस्किट देते थे हम लोग को खाने के लिए और कहते थे ये डॉग है, डॉग के खाना है, कुत्ते खाना आप लोग खाओ। तो हम लोग को भूख लगता था, हम लोग खा लेते थे। जो चीज़ हम लोग भारत में नहीं खाए थे वो चीज़ हम यहाँ पर खाए थे। जानिए से बताया था हम लोग।
Settling far from home in a foreign land, ripped away from the families and lives that they knew, the Girmitiers often drew strength from the hope that things would get better, maybe not for them, but for future generations.
हम लोग तो बहुत छोटे थे, हमारे आज हम लोग के बताते थे कि लोग कितना दुख उठाकर और वहाँ से फिजी आए और लोग आए हैं फिजी में तो लोग बहुत दुख के सामना किया और उनको काम करने के लिए बहुत कठिनाई था, उनके खाने पीने के लिए बहुत कठिनाई था, उनका चीज़ जो है नाप के दिया जाता था, वैसे ही अलग अलग स्त्री थे, अलग अलग पुरुष थे, ऐसे ही उनका ज़िंदगी जीते रहे बेचारे, बहुत कठिनाई के साथ वे जिए।
The accounts recorded by Girmitiers in Fiji tell much about the suffering they went through. Words alone can never fully capture the emotion and the pain they experienced.
हाँ, उन्होंने आए थे, गीता लेकर आए थे इंडिया से। मुझे एक बात की बहुत खुशी हो रही है, जो हमारे पूर्वज आए हैं वो अपना धर्म ध्वजा लेकर आज हमारे देश में आए। शायद तो लेकर नहीं आते तो हम अपने धर्म से आज वंचित, अपनी भाषा से वंचित रह जाते। आज ये बड़ी गौरव की बात है, उन्होंने जो कुछ करके हमारे समक्ष दिखाया, आज वही हम सब लेकर चल रहे हैं।
The determined, tenacious spirit of the Girmitiers serves as a source of inspiration for every Fijian. The legacy has made Fiji the proud nation it is today. Despite the immense adversity faced by the Girmitiers, they forged new lives for themselves in Fiji and ultimately overcome their struggle. In this segment, Nation's Business visited descendants of Girmitiers who were more than happy to share their stories. "72-year-old Deoraj of Sausabu says the legacy of his parents as Girmitiers can be witnessed throughout the Fijian society to this day.
Tinango, Girmit mi may Mango Island. Nakinakawa kay tu si tungago pat nakinayaya para ita kitungo. Naya todo ko se bambulay tungago maro itu. Redengo nakango en daundara nayaba. To biki na nayaba. Ani ingo daundara tunandomo. Ingo ni oras at puluwer na maraming Indian lamay ng Girmiti, daw biwidake, may kunin daw luto non ra horni. Ingo, parang daw undara, panu ako. Ni anduan na sana, ingo talaga, daw undara talay kaya, orang daw dara may bangko, daw tokay kaya. Ingo nakaniulo ni oras sasaw ni may baraw ngande, orang daw dara nagago. Ya. Ngo non rataumbe. Ni ora sa baisulu. Para maram ni India lamay ng Girmiti ngo mando meran daw tiko vera.
Raj told Nation's Business his mother was part of the 50 Girmitiers that were sent to work on a copra plantation on a private island called Mango in the Lau group for 5 years.
Ngaw na lamay orto na nagu tubo-tubo. Ora lamay, ora may kailan non rawang kay lebuka, ora may tuy lebuka. Sangki lamay na boso ni Mango Island, may mango. Orto ang may dingi na natamata. So binakatalebi na natamata na boso ya na sibiyan beka 5 Sangki la indusia, anggi orto ba makataki, ora sangki bakawi Mango Island may ora lepada katakataki. Maralay tena niu, were, baki 5. Non rang Girmiti tiko ikea, ochi ang baki 5. Orto gindewa may, tebeuni, salia lebu. Endo nito na nalebu, ayaw sember ni ready ko, ayaw sember ni ready orto na lubena. Orto matubay tiko-tiko may banuang blabu. Erna no sundaya. Eu sempre ni sota tu edo batu minggu, saya liu temangu, saya liu tinangu. Eu sempre ni kita wikila eu sekila tu ngana de nunggu nana lebu, ni tu na wikito tinangu num tinamundo endo etiko mekia.
Rad says according to her mother, they were given false promises that they were going to return to India when they complete their 5 years contract in Mango.
Kay talanuanga ni tumbungu, tunaw ko ni orto sa may maingirmiti, orto sa maingirmiti, matakalalay, 5 kaloko merasayan ra. Lewa kintangani, merasala ko erlay taining. Ni era se due basudu, singa ono nga lewa metui balik na boni singa, sandun dun misali dakdaka. Yo, para sando ngongo era daw rumbi lagi. Dosto libera no tutungi. Para sa siyang niraw ni dakabatalin do naka, may nononran do valolo mata kitu, dotan mo ravikilay kay dua. Siyang do buki raso ni ora sa ot nonran girmichi, ora naturangan tau ki.
Rad says it was heart-wrenching to hear her mother recounting her Girmit days.
O tinanggung ko ni ora sa ray ni valolo matu sang kauti ko may ora tu lechian raw na. Para ray ni valoloma. Para may solian ng gele kay tu matuki na tu sedo patunga. Makito sudu kaya kito kalilibu kede kito leva. Leva ito lu na tangani endo na lewa. Orto sa mate taudoko o yaw nga usembula to.
Meet 70 years old Vijay Kumari, who was born in Bua, where her father worked at a copra plantation during the Girmit era. According to Kumari, her father had arrived from India on board the Syria, and his name was Dulari.
ऐसे सोच रही लगा कि हमारे पिताजी लोग बहुत दुख से आए रहेंगे फिजी में बहुत दुख काटी रहा कुछ इससे हमें रोई लगा बहुत दुख से रहा। फिर पिताजी के बाद में फिर हमारे पिताजी शादी करी से अपन वाइफ वहाँ छोड़ के आई से एक लड़का छोड़ के आई से रहा। फिर यहाँ शादी करी से और फिर हम लोग 11 भैया और 4 बहनी रहा। सबके देखभाल पिताजी करी से हम लोग बहुत जैसे गरीब रहा।
Kumari says they were very poor during their upbringing, and her father ensured they were well looked after.
हाँ, पिताजी बोलता रहा ना कि हम लोग तो नहीं रहेगा, आप लोग इस देश के सही नागरिक बन सकते हो। जी मैं बहुत छोटी थी, हमारे 11 भैया थे और 4 बहनी, उनसे उसके सबसे पीछे हम रहा। तो हमें उतना नहीं ख्याल है कि कौन कौन गाना है। पिताजी से कौन जस्ती करके पिताजी बताता रहा कि जब हम आया तो एक रामायण छोटा वाला लेकर आए रहा, एक छोटा वाला रामायण लेकर आए रहा। तो वही रामायण पढ़ता रहा। हमारे पिताजी साधु रहा, गोश मांस नहीं खाता रहा और सवेरे संध्या पूजा करता रहा सूरज भगवान के। और ऐसे दिन निकले से पहले इधर करता रहा, संध्या के इधर करता रहा।
The legacy of those indentured laborers, the Girmitiers, has made Fiji the proud nation and can be seen throughout the Fijian society to this day. Through that, government mandated a day in every year to commemorate an event that marked the end of one of the darkest, yet one of the most significant eras in Fijian history. In the north, the celebration was held at the two main centers, Lambasa and Savusavu. In villages, towns and cities all across Fiji, the stories of the Girmitiers can be seen all around with the development that began the very day they set foot in Fiji. The celebration in the north was officiated by the Honourable Minister for Economy and Attorney General Ayaz Said Kayum.
Building roads, clearing land, harvesting sugarcane. The success of Fiji's colonial economy depended heavily on their sweat, effort and talents. Here in Lambasa, of course, it is wonderful to see so many Fijians here to commemorate this important day. As we all know, the history of Girmitiers is also the history of Lambasa. Some of the Girmit descendants of those who are aboard the Sutlej 5 are with us here today, and on behalf of the Fijian people, we wish to pay tribute not only to the contribution your ancestors made to building our nation, but our own contribution as well.
Meanwhile, the centennial celebration in Savusavu was officiated by the Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, Honourable Mereseni Buniwanga.
As we all know, the history of the Girmitiers is also the history of Savusavu. Although relatively few Girmitiers were sent to the Savusavu area compared to sugarcane growing areas of Fiji, a small number were employed at copra plantations in the region.
Descendants of Girmitiers residing in Lambasa and Savusavu each received a plaque honoring their ancestors, who were part of the last boatload of indentured laborers that came on board the SS Sutlej 5 in 1916. It took 97 years from the arrival of the last ship for the descendants of the Girmitiers to be called Fijians, to truly become a part of the nation and participate fully in national life.
When this government in 2013 declared us all Fijians, equal and united as one nation and one people, it was a realization of the hopes and dreams of hundreds of thousands of direct descendants of the Girmitiers. While many of your ancestors had never heard of Fiji prior to their arrival, in that moment this nation truly became your home, and it will remain so for all time. The journey has been long, too long, and not without difficulty. But here we all stand, more united than ever before, and all committed to taking Fiji into the future.
Descendants of these Girmitiers acknowledged and thanked government for setting to mark the centennial celebration.
बात है कि जो सरकार ने इतनी बड़ी हम लोग के बढ़ावा दिया है और हमारे पूर्वजों के याद में ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, तो हम लोगों के लिए बड़ी भारी ऐसी आयोजना की गई है तो बहुत गौरव के बात, हर्ष उल्लास के बात है, क्योंकि जो बीती हुई यादें आज हमारे समक्ष आ रही हैं और जो हमारे पूर्वज जिस तरह से यहाँ पर आकर के खून पसीना बहाएं और दुख को काटें, आज वो हमारे सामने मेहनत हमारा देश हरा भरा देख रहा है।
His Excellency the President stated by 2020, for the 100-year anniversary of the end of the indenture system, Fiji would be holding special commemorations throughout Fiji to mark the end of the indentured era.
My fellow Fijians, it is also an emotional day for all of us as we remember the past trauma and look back into our history. But it's also a day of celebration for how far we have come. Let us all give thanks for the Girmitias and their descendants. And let us all try and live up to the example of perseverance and determination that they displayed despite the trying circumstances.